How's it going, YouTube? This is PokePenguin here, and I am here with a very special video. In honor of gaining 25 subscribers, I got a hold of 18 different packs. 1 Steam Siege, 4 Evolution, and the rest Sun and Moon. And I am going to be splitting this opening with my girlfriend. So we will each be taking, this will be her side, this is my side. We decided ahead of time that I got the Sun and Moon and she got the Steam Siege. And we're going to do somewhat of a pack battle just to see who gets the better pulls. And we're going to be alternating every 3 packs. So I'm going to kick it off. Actually, let's keep hers on screen and I'll keep mine over here, even though I use my left hand, just so that you guys see the packs are always on screen. I'm actually going to do evolutions because I like opening Sun and Moon so much that I want to do it all last.
Why would you do mine in order?
You don't have to.
I think this one.
Okay.
For consistency.
It's a small room, so moving around you might hear some different noises. We've got a Doduo, Ponyta, Nidoran, Seal, Diglett, Haunter, Blastoise Spirit Link, Misty's Determination, Reverse Hollow Ghastly, and an Electrode regular rare. Actually, that's strange. The evolutions regular rares from when I bought before from my card shop, they had a miscut corner. I don't have those cards with me to show you, but I always thought those were cool. Hopefully, if we get another one, that I can show you guys. But that Electrode didn't have it. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2. Ghastly, Magikarp, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Rattata, Super Potion, Charizard Spirit Link. Actually, I know I got a regular rare. You can see it in the corner. See how it's a little bit more square? Spoilers. Sorry, I think I'm supposed to say that beforehand. Charmeleon, Voltorb, Reverse Hollow, and a Farfetch'd. And you can see, actually, let's do it this way. In the corner, maybe, that the Farfetch'd has that uncut corner. So I thought that was kind of cool. Gave me incentive to not be disappointed with a regular rare. Maybe it's just justification for a regular rare. But we'll go on to my Decidueye Sun and Moon pack. Two, three, four, 1, 2. What? These are all upside down. Or maybe these are upside down. I don't know. We got a Fearow, Grubbin, Spearow, a Alolan Grimer, Rowlet. Yep, these are upside down. Yep, okay. This is a Metal Energy, Professor Kukui, Golbat, Repel, Reverse Lantern, that's a rare, and, oh, a Decidueye GX. We were just talking about how this is a really expensive card, and I was glad to pull one, and I pulled a second one. That is awesome. Where are my sleeves? I got my sleeves. Since we will be sort of using points as a guide, but not necessary, I'm going to hold on to this regular rare, and I'll keep this off to the side on my side, and I will let you take over.
Great.
As I take the chair behind.
Whatever, I can stand. Okay. So, we'll be starting with the 2 evolutions for my side. If I can open it. We'll just go like this. Oh yeah.
Have a Sun and Moon code for the Decidueye pull.
Great. Three and 2. Alright, so we have a Staryu, Energy, a Magikarp, Onix, Sandshrew, Kakuna, Energy Retrieval, Blastoise Spirit Link, Nidoking.
That's reverse rare. You can
Okay,
slip it off to the
reverse
side.
rare. And an Arcanine. Great. Second pack, also evolutions. I'm not having luck with the opening today.
Thank you. I love it when it rains packed wrapping.
You're welcome. Okay. Alright, so we have a Charmander, Voltorb, Energy, Vulpix, Tangela, Devolution Spray, a Pokédex, Porygon, Poliwag, and a Farfetch'd. Alright, this one's from Steam Siege. That one opened right away. One, two, three. 1, 2. Oh, shush. Okay. Another Tangela. A Joltik. Larvesta. Rufflet. Ponyta. Clang. Claw, Fossil, Anorith. Duat. Claw, Fossil, Anorith, but better. And a Spiritomb. Okay, so.
Okay. Let me work my way in.
Switch again.
Just something that I forgot to mention. All the Sun and Moon packs are from Elite Trainer boxes that my local card store opened up in front of me. I saw them open it up. And, so they're from Elite Trainer boxes. The Evolutions and the Steam Siege were from booster boxes. And since you were using your right hand, I'm going to swap these so that our piles are on respective sides. Just because it's a little bit easier to keep track. I've got an Incineroar pack. Yeah, this one's upside down. Oh, I guess it makes sense because I think it was this one, had the upside down commons. So we've got a Rowlet, Drowsy, Cutiefly, Makuhita, Snubbull, Water Energy, Corsola, Repel, Pelipper, Reverse Hollow Paris, and a normal Decidueye. Regular rare. Now we've got a pack of. Actually, I'm gonna reorder these to this. So we're to Decidueye because superstitions matter. So there's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here we go. We got a Snubbull, Carvanha, Zubat, Popplio, Togedemaru, Psychic Energy, Pinsir, Team Skullgrunt, Metapod, Reverse Stuffle. This is another one that I traded for to Pallet Town Kanto for if you checked out my mail video, so I needed that one. And a Stoutland, regular rare. Here we go to Primarina. Hopefully I can get something more.
Competition.
It is a competition.
Now who's raining packs? 1, 2, 3.
I'm putting them in the same spot. You're throwing them over your shoulder wherever I am. We have a Popplio. Oh, Zubat. No. Okay, Shelter. Yungoos. Paris. This is Steel Energy. Boldore. Ultra Ball. Pinsir. Oh, the Rainbow Energy reverse. Whenever I look at the normal Rainbow Energy, it always looks like it's a reverse energy. I don't know if anyone else sees that, but this is really cool. And an Incineroar. Regular rare. So, those are my 3 packs. It is your turn.
Great.
As I take the chair again.
Thanks. Alright, so more Sun and Moon. Ooh. I'd hope so. I'm not invisible. Alright. So, we have a Rowlet. You didn't see that. Cosmog, Lillipup, Wingull, Snubble, Brionne. That's pretty cool.
Was that a reverse?
Yes.
Did you do 3 and 2 instead of 4 and 2?
Oh shit, I did.
Don't swear.
Sorry.
Come on.
Poliwhirl, Brionne, Crocodile, and an energy.
Crocodile's a hollow. Crocodile's a hollow. Crocodile's a hollow.
Okay, it's a hollow.
I need it. I need to sleeve it. Hollows get sleeves.
Okay.
You sworn more on this channel than I have.
We don't need to know that. 4 and 2. There you go. Carvanha, a Zubat, Poplio, Togedemaru, a Shelter, Energy, Granbull, double colorless energy. No idea how to say that. A Herdier,
Oh, cute movie.
a Bruxish. That's a cool one. Okay. Did you want this one?
What?
Does this encounter now?
No, that's an encounter.
Okay. Oh, that's your pile. This is mine. One more. Okay. One, two, three, four. 1, 2. Great. So, we have a Growlithe, a Roggenrola, Cosmog, a Litten. I love Litten.
I said you could set that off to the side.
Great. Psyduck.
Okay. Or not.
Energy. Timer Ball. Boulder. Ultra Ball. A Lantern.
You also got a resistant. No!
And a Rotom-Dex.
Oh my god!
As I said in the other video, I'm good luck.
I don't know if the other video is going to go up before this one.
Oh.
This one's probably Saturday.
Flash to the future.
I want to sleep that. Okay.
There you go.
Put Lantern off to the side. That's another rare. Well,
Okay.
I need to get something good out of these packs. Out of the rest of these. Sorry about the noise and maybe the earthquake. We'll see. So I got these 3 packs. Hopefully some legendary Pokemon will pull through for me. Oh, before we forget, have a Sun and Moon code for that Rotom Dex pull. Set that off to the side.
You're welcome.
Here's this. 1, 2. Okay, here we go. And we've got a Wingull, a Snubble, Carvanha, Zubat. Don't be sheltered. Poplio. Okay. Maybe it was Poplio. I don't know. Pinsir, Team Skullgrunt, Metapod. That sounds familiar too. Reverse Pessimian, and an Alolan Duck Tree. Yo. Shout out to Palette Town Kanto, because I traded for this card, not thinking that I would do this for 25 subscribers, and I pull it. But I'll take it. It'll help make up some distance between, for that Rotom Dex. Because you're at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points. What would be 9 points? I think you win hands down, but I just want, I'd be curious. Put the,
Knock on wood. Don't jinx yourself.
2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, it's
5.
4. 1.
What's wrong with you?
I looked at the Rotom Dex. That's what's wrong with me. It's beautiful. Crabrawler, Marini, Alolan Diglett, Dewpider, Alolan Meowth.
Meow.
It's upside down again. Fire Energy, Pinsir, Team Skullgrunt. Nope. Timer Ball, Pelipper, Reverse Trumbeak. I don't think I have that. And a Ringaroo Hollow. I know I don't have that one. Sleeves. I need more sleeves.
Oh no, you might be catching up.
Well, I mean, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 9. You have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. So I need something out of this, or else we know if we do points, even though I don't think we need to do points. Who wins? Morlul, Skarmory, Poliwag, see, that's what I was telling you about. Sandygast. Eevee. We got a Psychic Energy, Golbat, Energy Switch. Okay, so it's not Energy Switch I needed, it's Energy Retrieval. Professor Kukui, Morlul, because we didn't get it with the other ones, and a Lantern regular rare. So that's that's the end of mine, and here's the last 3 packs. Oh no.
Alright, let's see if we can leave him behind in the dust.
I heard that.
You heard nothing. Okay.
Let me drink your water.
Go ahead. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, so Shelter, Makihita, Fearow, Grubbin, Drowsy, and Energy, Team Skull Grunt, Metapod, Granbull, Gigalith.
Ooh, I don't think I have that card. Reverse or normal.
There you go, and a Masquerain.
If we don't get a Cloyster throughout any of these, that is a regular rare that I have not pulled out of any of my packs.
Alright.
Making a mess.
That's okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Alright, Popplio, a Zubat, a Shelter, Yungoos, Paris, Energy Upside Down, Dartrix, a Alolan Raticate, Wishy-Washy, a Torracat, meow, and a Golduck. Alright, last pack. Let's see. Give me good luck.
You just hit the pack?
It was a tap of love.
The pack. I hope that pack
hits me back.
gives you a
Great.
gives you a non-hollow rare.
Great.
Cloyster.
Okay. 3, 4. 1, 2. Cloyster. Great. Okay. We have a Cosmog. We have a Litten. Meow. A Psyduck. A Bounsweet. A Lillipup. Again, upside down. Energy. Energy Retrieval. Oh, is that the one you don't have?
I think it's the one
Great.
I don't have.
Crocorock. Araquanid. A Vikavolt.
Oh, I don't have that one either.
Great. And a Parasect. So, not quite as good luck, but I think that we're good.
No, we got lots of new.
Woo! Sorry.
Throwing cards everywhere.
Throw them at you. Okay.
Don't throw them at me, they're my cards.
You're welcome.
I would have opened them if you weren't. But we did very, very well for this opening. Let's see if I can kind of do a quick overview. Actually, I probably shouldn't have mixed them. But we got a Nidoking Reverse Holo Rare, a Lantern Reverse Holo Rare, a second Lantern Reverse Holo Rare, a Crocodile Holo Rare, an Oranguru Holo Rare, a Alolan Dugtrio Holo Rare, a Decidueye GX, and a Rotom Dex Secret Rare. So if we were doing points, I would have had 1, 3, 5, 8, and my girlfriend would have had 2, 4, 9. But it doesn't matter because we pulled this card, and it's amazing, and it's rainbowy, and it's textured, and it's gorgeous.
Alright, say goodbye.
So, thank you for watching. If you like, leave a like. Feel free to subscribe. Yeah, sorry, I'm mesmerized by this card. Thank you for watching.